everyone, it's Paula with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts and Twinkle Trail Creates, and today I am going to do a flip through of Live Life in Full Bloom from Be Happy Stationery. And it's such a fun little kit. I had this cool attached 3 jump ring binder system thing, and then also this is a die that I got off Amazon. I did a live last night and shared what that was. So I added a whole bunch of her little embellishments everywhere. This is just a random yellow print that I did on the back. I made all of these that you see, little tuck spots. If someone had a note or sticky note you want to stick on here but have the bottom part be hooked down. I added all kinds of stuff, a little bit of Wink of Stella on the butterfly. And that is just a flip out, little writing spot, little journaling spot. I cut her off of one of the other pages, and this is a card front that I had made a while back and didn't do anything with. This flower and the leaves are a die cut. Created a pocket with a little pull out space to write something there. Again, all of these are little tuck spots. Some of them I put stuff in to write, and some of them I left empty for the recipient to add their own stuff. These butterflies, I glued them back to back and made them kind of like a paper clip. So that's a tuck spot. Someone could put something underneath there. Keep going. This one flips out also in the back. Because I didn't plan this ahead of time. I printed the sheets, and then I was like, oh, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? This is a front and back book, so you can flip it from the front or the back. Both ways work. There really is no front. There really is no back. I love the llama. Oh, so cute. So cute. Let's see. I think the butterflies are easier to flip. There we go. She's peeking out behind there. And again, another card front I had made a while back and didn't do anything with. But I thought it was fun for this. I added a butterfly from this kit. More butterflies, more bits and pieces, another tuck spot. I kept it really, actually pretty simple. I did reinforce the top because this die makes a score right there. I thought they would rip too easy over time, so I went ahead and put a piece of just clear tape on there. To make sure they didn't accidentally rip out. I mean, you can still yank them off the 3-ring binder. Another card front. I added the bees out of this kit. And then on the back, I made a belly band with a note card. This little guy, I actually went ahead and glued these down, but I left this as a tuck spot. Another tuck spot. Place to journal something. A tuck spot. Oh wait, that one flips. This one flips down. I get a little flicks there to open its mouth. The last of the cards from something else. Oh no, sorry, this is the last. I thought the teacups went great. I meant to make this a slide in, and I glued it shut. So I was like, well, I'm gonna use it anyways. And there is the back or the other front, whichever way you want to use it. Hope you enjoyed it.